Hello guys, in this video I'll be talking about how we can create a website within 5 minutes. So in this video I'll be using a CSS framework called Tailwind CSS. To install Tailwind CSS on your device, go to Google and search for Tailwind CSS install. Click on the first link. Scroll down. You can see using Tailwind CSS via CND. So copy this link and paste in your IDE. So I created a HTML file. I'll just drag and drop and create a HTML syntax. So in the head text, paste this link. So copy this link and paste in your IDE. I'll be using Sublime as my IDE. And also add a responsive HTML tag. And search for Tailblocks in your Google Chrome and click on the first link. So we'll be using this website. This website is basically it consists of lots of templates, and we'll be choosing our own templates. So as you can see on the left hand side, we have lots of templates like header, footer. So let me click on header, and you can also choose any colors. So okay, let me choose blue, and if you click view source and click on copy to clipboard and copy to my IDE. So that's all. Let me preview this website in my local website. As you can see, we got the nav bar. So let me quickly create a website, just like the same process. Choose a template and click on view code, so that we'll be getting the code, and just copy and paste in your IDE.